Am I the only one who's panicked when their truck's 4WD won't engage? Let's walk through the basics and get you rolling again. First things first, double-check you're stopped or moving under 5 miles per hour when trying to engage 4WD. Titans are picky about timing. Next, make sure your transmission is in neutral. Sometimes the system won't activate in drive or reverse. Still nothing? Listen for a clicking sound when you switch to 4WD. No click could mean a blown fuse or a bad actuator. Your user manual will tell you which fuse to check. If the fuse is fine, check the 4WD switch on your dash. If it feels loose or unresponsive, replacing it might be a simple fix. Still stuck? It might be a wiring issue or the 4WD actuator itself. These parts can fail, especially in older Titans or those used in harsh conditions. At this point, it's smart to consult a mechanic. Don't force the system, or you could end up with a bigger repair bill. So, before you panic, run through these quick checks. Sometimes it's a 5-minute fix that gets your Nissan Titan's 4WD working again. Good luck out there.